To register your child using online registration, please navigate to the Clayton County Schools District webpage. On the webpage, navigate down the screen to the left index to Infinite Campus. On the next screen, you will click Log On to Infinite Campus Parents Portal. Please enter in your username and password. Once you log in, you will be brought to the Campus Portal homepage. On the left side of the page, you will find the link to the online registration portal. Click this link to begin the online registration process for your student. On the first screen, you will see the students for your household that are currently enrolled in the Clayton County Schools District. Select the year you will be enrolling your student from the drop-down that says Registration Year. Then, click the Begin Registration button. On the next screen, you will begin the application process. Pay close attention to your application number, which is provided in the top right corner of the screen. This will be an easy way to identify your application through the process once it is entered into the system. Please read the pertinent information and click the Begin button. On the next screen, you will verify your home phone number. As well as on the next screen, your home address.
And then the last step will be to verify your mailing address.
The next screen is the Parent and Guardian screen. On this screen, you can add a new parent or guardian, and you can also edit and review parents and guardians that already exist. Parents that are outlined in yellow indicate that this person is missing required information. Select the highlighted row to continue. On this screen, you will see fields where data is required. Please enter in the correct information. If the person resides at this address, please click the box that says, check this box if this person lives at the same household's address listed below. Once completed, hit Next. You will now be brought to this person's contact information. You may enter in as much information as possible here, starting with the cell phone. An email address also is required. Or, if you do not have an email address, click on the Has No Email button. As you will see, contact preferences are already highlighted to the right. This information was pulled from the data that is already in Infinite Campus. When completed, please click Save and Continue. On the next screen, you can add an emergency contact. To add an emergency contact, please click the blue button that says Add New Emergency Contact. Fill out the desired information, click Save and Continue, and this information will now be included in your child's file records. On the next screen is where you will enter your student's information. Again, like before, if the student is in yellow, this indicates that this person is missing required information. Select the highlighted row to continue. The next screen, you will see that there is a required field. Please answer this question accordingly. Once this information is filled out and verified, click Next to go to the next section. Here, you will select your child's summer learning program. Notice you have two preferences, your first preference and your second preference. But take note that only one of these preferences will be assigned. Please continue to fill out the rest of the information on the page. If your child will need transportation, please answer this question accordingly. The next portion is the race and ethnicity section. As you can see, no changes can be made in this section. If changes need to be made, please contact your child's school for the desired updates. Please click Next. The next section is where you will specify the relationships to the parents and guardians of this child. One of the questions is the contact sequence. Please select what sequence you would like this person to be contacted if there is need to make contact about your child. Fill out any other required information on this page. Click Next. This next section, you will specify if this child resides in a separate household, and in the description it will tell you, marking this checkbox will indicate that this person does not share a relationship to the student. By checking this checkbox, you are indicating that this person no longer has a relationship to the student. The relationship will be ended if one exists. Click Next. Finally is the release agreements. Please fill out accordingly. Lastly, you will enter your name in the box. Click Save and Continue to proceed. You are now at the final screen of online registration. If there is a green check mark in the completed column next to your student, this will indicate that online registration has been completed for this child. Please click Save and Continue to go to the final screen. On the final screen, you must click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will no longer be able to edit this application. Click Confirm at the warning screen. Your application is now completed.